Hello everyone, this is Steve. Thanks for joining me. In this video, we're going to solve for x in three different equations. In each one of these equations, the bases either match or they can be made to match through a little manipulation. So let's solve these three problems right here for x. The first one is the fastest because the bases are already both 7. And if the bases match, then we can solve for x just by setting the two powers equal to each other. So we just write x plus 3 equals 5. And then we solve for x like you normally do. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and we get x equals 2. That actually finishes the first one. The first one is just going to be x equals 2. The second one right here, the 4 and the 64 do not match. But we ask ourselves, can we rewrite the larger base as a smaller base to a power? So we're going to actually leave the 4 alone. It's going to stay as 4 to the 2x minus 1. But 64 can be rewritten as 4 to the third power, 4 cubed, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. The trick is here, before we observe that the bases are equal and just reduce this down to setting the two powers equal to each other, we need to clean up those parentheses that are around the 4 cubed. So what we do is we multiply the 3 times both the x and the plus 2. We do need to distribute it. So we will have 4 to the 2x minus 1 on this side still. And over here, we will get 4 to the 3x plus 6. Now that the bases match exactly, we can just set the two exponents equal to each other. 2x minus 1 equals 3x plus 6. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x from both sides, giving me negative x minus 1 equals positive 6. I'm going to add 1 to both sides, giving me negative x equals positive 7. And then, since I have negative x, I either need to multiply or divide both sides by negative 1, which will just make this x equals negative 7. And that one is done. This last one over here, we need to reduce down the base on the left because it's the larger base. So how can we rewrite 27 as 3 to a power? We can rewrite 27 as 3 cubed. So this will become 3 cubed, x plus 1, and 3, the x plus 4. Now we distribute the 3 in the power to the x and the plus 1. So that's going to give us 3 to the 3x plus 3 equals 3 to the x plus 4. The bases now match, so we set the two exponents equal to each other. We go ahead and subtract x from both sides, giving me 2x plus 3 equals 4. Subtract 3 from both sides, giving me 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, get x equals 1/2. And that's the answer to that problem. So there's 3 solving for x problems where the bases either match or can be made to match. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.